Watch the movie. 1 month later.
Good job.
Score.
That's the sword I have.
Take it. Go grab it. He grabbed the sword.
Look it. Look it. Came with the movies.
Really?
It came with them.
Wait, no. Did he grab the sword?
Cool.
I know. I was more excited about that than the movies. My mom and my sister are like, "What the hell's wrong with you?" Because I saw this and I was.
Yo,
literally
that's
like,
dangerous.
Oh my god, that's
Don't
fucking
play
awesome. I was
with
like,
that.
I'm bringing this to school.
Yo, don't play with that.
They're like, "You're a nerd."
Don't play with that.
It's fun. It's a
You could hurt
Hattori
somebody.
sword. Katie.
Yes.
You could hurt somebody.
It's not sharp. Look it.
I got it.
You
Did you? Aren't you?